Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. This is Amin from Code Gems by Amin Khan, and today I'm gonna show you how I prospect clients. And this is the New Year night over here in Karachi, Pakistan, and I'm looking for some new clients. So as for my previous video, I showed you how you can create and install and integrate that Feed Pro plugin, or you can say in fact the Feed Pro extensions of Chrome, by which you can easily search your kind of projects on Upwork. So I will go over here, and for this installation and integration, you can go and see my video of the Feed Pro search for the for the jobs. So I have already created some categories and entries over here. I will go and select my most search categories over here, WordPress, and this one is $100 to $500. So I will see and select some of the projects from here, and after selection I will be doing a proposal submission. So this is the new series of the video. I will like doing and submitting proposal per day, around 2 or 1. So, and if I will get the client from this submission, we will go further from there. So it is showing in that particular category, like build a mobile specification website. Let me see what it is, and it is of $100, and the client is from Bangladesh. We will leave it. WordPress website for a university agent. So we will see what kind of website they want to develop, and the client is from Turkey. And most importantly, before submitting the proposal, I will select some of the jobs right away. Looking for search engine optimization for new website. I will select this one as well. WordPress to Wix. I do not develop website on Wix, but what we will do, we can do like we can ask this client not to move to Wix, and we will show some WordPress positive points to the client. Maybe it will like he or she will change his mind and stay with WordPress. So we can also search and give this proposal to this client as well. I will select this one as well, design marketing for the web pages, and select this one as well. Also I will check this one as well. This is export full length greater than 1,000. So mostly they have NFT projects and big custom projects. I will move because this is not related to my niche, and this is somewhat same intermediate full length. Maybe this entry is not relevant and not useful, and these are the less than 100. I go over here and all items and select this mark all feed entries and currently selected, because I have read all entries, so I will mark it clear. So this one is 0 right now. Whenever I got the new whenever the Upwork has the new post, it will show me over here in the number format. So we're gonna see 1 2 3 4 5 6 projects and posts that I have took out from the Feed Pro extension. So from these 4 to 6, number 2 is both are now off, and let us see what is happening with the other posts. Okay, so this is the one, and WordPress website for a university agent. Hello, we want to create a WordPress website similar to these website. The client has provided some of the potential links that how his website will look. Same design, just change in colors. Please don't apply if you are not sure will be able to do it. So number 2 is you have it. He's asking for the job success score around 90%, and proposals around 15 to 20. It is also good, and client viewed around 4 minutes ago. and the reviews are also good. Higher rate is not that much good, but it is enough good that I can submit a proposal to this client. So I will go and submit the proposal. Meanwhile, we can also see what the other clients are searching for. So it is, he is interviewing one and more than 50 proposals, and higher rate is not that much good, so I will leave it. Design marketing worthy web pages. So this client is looking for design marketing worthy web pages, and I don't know, it's the description is not clear to me, but we can see how much how and what is the client is looking for. But it is away around 5 hours ago. Today is the New Year night as well. Maybe we can do a submission for this proposal as well. Website development, WordPress custom. Need help developing a website that involves some custom coding. Other details will be sent to the talents. Please make sure to include the word threat during the proposal. The custom coding is like ambiguous. What kind of custom coding this client wants? But we can go over here, and we have 8 reviews, and he's from Malaysia. 19% high rate, not that much good, but I think we'll leave it. Okay, so we have okay, this one that we have just open WordPress directory website theme. I would like to help creating WordPress directory site using theme. I will not be hiring someone who has building WordPress directory theme. We apply it. Basically, I haven't worked much on this WordPress listing theme, and maybe I don't have some example to show this client, so we will better to leave this one. We will close this one too. HTML says it wants a WordPress theme, so this client provides the Figma design. Let us see what the client wants to show. So this one is also good. We can go and select this one, and this will be the same. Okay, this is the design. Like this client wants to develop. Okay, it's pretty much, it's good and simple. Yes, we can go and select this one. So right now we have 1 and 2 3 posts we have, so we'll go from here and submit the proposal. Before going to that, we will go again and grab his or her name of the client, so it is fruitful for whenever you post the proposal, you should call with her or his name, so it will be good for those, like the client understands that this freelancer read entire proposal and do a research, so it is good. Maybe his name is Christopher, I think. Sorry, Mark. I think we have different name over here. Mark. Okay, his name is Mark. So you can see over here the generalized profile will be going, and 350 the amount of the client, and 280 is the amount that I will receive. Less than 1 month. And now I will start working on the cover letter. Hey Mark, I see that you are looking for a WordPress expert who can convert your design from Figma to WordPress. I recently done this kind of, alright, I recently developed fit for your project. Please let me know so we can discuss it further. Best regards, Khan. And I will, this is the one that we have developed from Figma to WordPress. Now the question that client asked, that is a tricky part, because most of the time we develop the desktop design first. So what he is asking for the prototype of mobile version. So basically I will write over here that the design should be the first in desktop version. The first step of the development is the desktop version of the website, and after that we will opt for the mobile version. So this will I will be written the, like, you can say, I will be 100% write the true thing that I've uh, got from this proposal, this job posting. What is experience with the responsive design projects? So I just write over here that responsive designs are perfectly made when you have the HTML version is up to the standards. Like whenever a developer start building the website, he or she should follow the standards of the development. If the HTML is not up to the mark, not to the standards, so whenever you go for the mobile version, like, it will not help you. Like, it you will have to work more and more, and it will take more time to set the screens on the mobile, on the Android and the iPhone and the tablets as well. So the first of all, you have to be very smart to develop the HTML version of the website. So just write that I will be develop the desktop version first and then go for the mobile. And just this is it for this cover letter, and I will upload my what can I say, the CV that I've created uh, for the Upwork. And this I will select it, and this one I have showed in the previous videos, so you can go and check that videos as well. What should be written in order to get the client on board? Submit a proposal. Okay, continue submit. So the proposal has been submitted. You can see, like, we have just put the couple of lines over here that are relevant, and the relevant project that I've done for this Figma to WordPress, and that's it. So no other things, because most of the time the client just see, uh, if I go less, around these two lines. So this is the main thing. This is the main important thing, that you will uh, acknowledge the client name and acknowledge what he or she wants in the job post. So you can do easily from here, and then just now it is up to you, that it is like, it is your luck that the client will 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 have a reply on your proposal. So this is the second proposal we're gonna submit, and this is for the design marketing worthy web pages. And we'll go again, and I've just forgot to take the name, and just submit the proposal. I will go over here, and okay, so right now we do not have any kind of the name of the client, so don't worry about that. We will again read a couple of lines. Okay, so he does not need any kind of the theme forest templates. So I will have to handle that client in this way, that I do not work with the pre-made templates that much, but I will definitely go for the custom websites most of the time. So I have to give some of the relevant website examples as well. So I see that you're looking for have some good grip on custom themes. Please have a look at some of my work, and if you feel that I could be a good for this project, just let me know, so we can discuss it further. This is my portfolio website. Okay, mostly I've created custom theme. We'll read it again. I see that you're looking for WordPress developer that not only sticks with theme forest but has some good grip on the custom themes. Most I've created custom themes in my 9 years of WordPress experience. please have a look at some of my work, and if you feel that I could be a good fit, and blah blah blah. And let's get connected with my CV, and then I will go and grab some of the projects that I have did. So I just put that these websites, around 3 websites, I have put it over here for the client, so he can able to see the relevant experience of my custom WordPress themes. I will go over here and submit the proposal, and I'll close it. And this one was WordPress website for university agent. So I'll go over here and select the name of the client. So the client name is Abdullah. So it is good to have the name on board. Hello Abdullah. So he's a Muslim, so I can Assalamu alaikum. I can greet with the Islamic style. Assalamu alaikum Abdullah. So right now I have the website of one of the best brands in the world, Nokia Sodia Training Center. So I can give this website to that client as well. So right now I will be giving a like one website for the study and education related, and maybe I have 2 websites to give in the proposal. So what we're gonna write over here: hey, assalamu alaikum Abdullah, your proposal just caught my attention as I have recently, and please have a look, and if you feel that good fit further, yes, this will be my portfolio website, and I will write it again. Now I will get the sample website that I have done for my one of the clients. I just found around 3 relevant websites according to the niche of a university related website. So I will be like giving the client to submit a proposal over here. So let's see what's happened. I will upload that particular my CV and submit proposal. Yes, I understand, and continue to submit. So here you go. You have we have around 3 job posts that we saw, and uh, I showed you how I search for the WordPress websites. So these are the ways that you can opt to submit a proposal. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know, and how I can improve my videos qualities, and other thing that is more important for any of the work related topic, that just let me know. So I'll gonna show you how I search for the jobs, and how you can take benefit from my experience. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Code Champs. Thank you very much.